Hello, this is Nico at Charlie's Foreign Car, and we do brakes here. So I wanted to kind of show you what a brake system is. We've got a car with the wheel off right now. So how do you know you need brakes? When you need brakes is the pedal, when you hit the brakes, is the car shaking when you hit the brakes? Is the steering wheel shaking when you hit the brakes? Is the car grinding? Is the car squealing? Let's kind of go over all that stuff. So this is the brake disc on a car, and the wheel is bolted on right through here. That's where the wheel fastener bolts go. And as you drive down the road, this turns at the same rate as the wheel does. And then what happens is over here you have a caliper, and the caliper captures the pads that are inside here. The pads are removed right now, so the pads are right here. The pads would usually go right in there like so. That's where the pads would go. And the caliper pinches that pad onto that rotor, and then that's what stops the car. That's how brakes work. So on this car, unfortunately, so this is a European car. The Europeans, they don't like to use brake squealers. So this is I brought over a domestic pad off of a Chevy truck, and this thing right here is a squealer. So when the pad when it gets even with that squealer, you have this metal tang that comes down, and as it strikes the rotor as the rotor is passing it. So the rotor goes past here, this thing hits it, and it goes, you know, that squeal sound. Okay, so the Euro cars, they don't have squealers. They don't like squealers. I don't know why. So you can see this pad does not have a squealer on it on the inside or the outside. The customer complaint on this one is it actually was grinding. So you could see the grind mark in that pad. You could see how that would just cause a metal-to-metal grinding sound. So that is, unfortunately on this car, that's when you know you need brakes. This one needs pads and rotors. Now, inspections can resolve all this. You know, we do brake inspections so we don't get the pad down that low. Lots of safety factors that go into that. The car doesn't stop as well. The brakes don't cool down fast enough because you don't have as much thickness of pad material. So anyways, there's brakes in a nutshell. You have a brake disc, you have a caliper, and you have a brake pad. Real quick on calipers. Calipers here in Southern California rarely go bad. We work on roughly 6,000 cars a year. Maybe we do one set of calipers a year because we just never need to do them because the weather here prevents them from seizing up. So calipers in Southern California are kind of pretty much non-existent. We rarely ever do them. So what happens a lot is, you know, pads and rotors, and we also machine rotors. We'll do another video on machining rotors and how that looks. This one's getting a new rotor. So pads, rotors, calipers. If you have any questions, call, and thanks for watching.